It's one of the most popular IT trends of the moment, but is SD-WAN right for your organization? SD-WAN is the perfect replacement for the traditional wide area networks as it provides dynamic, policy-based application path selection and quality of service-based routing so that you can prioritize elements in your network's communications. This approach increases redundancy and resiliency for all your locations so that in case one circuit goes down, another one can handle the load and provide backup. As you can see, SD-WAN is all about network connection capabilities to maximize their benefits. You can connect lower-cost transport with multiple methodologies for your corporate, remote, and contract users. It doesn't matter if it's a single location or thousands of them. It also allows seamless connectivity with your private and public cloud. What about your company's software? SD-WAN facilitates the direct connection of customized SaaS and applications to the Internet. So, back to the question, is SD-WAN right for you? If you need at least one of these benefits, then the answer is definitely yes. Technology Navigation can help you determine the right SD-WAN supplier for your specific needs. We take care of the most difficult parts of sourcing an IT solution, such as determining requirements, sourcing handling suppliers, negotiating contracts, augmented installation, and overall support. Let us help you source, install, and support your SD-WAN solution.